Okay, so this is after updating Far Cry 6 after cleaning up space on my hard drive, on my console internal SSD. I cleaned up some space, moved some PS4 games into the external hard drive, and Far Cry 6 is now updating properly. Earlier there wasn't enough space to do the update. So this works, and the game is starting up, and probably there'll be some extra features in the update. That I finished a lot of the game already, but basically there were some updates which I probably didn't see. It looks like the game is starting up again. I don't know if it recognizes my saved games already.
Press cross button to start.
Yeah, so it looks my continue game is still there. So my progress hasn't been lost after the update, so that's good. So I wonder what's better in the update. The graphics seem to be the same. Looks like there's reflections in the water. So, um,
Mi pinga. I bet this fucking boat will sink halfway to Miami.
so everything seems to be good.